Hi guys, in this video I'm going to teach you all about traffic so that you have a solid roadmap of bringing the right kind of traffic to your business. In case you're not familiar with the word traffic, it not only refers to the unnecessary amount of vehicles on the road but also refers to your prospective customers. And when it comes to online marketing, it refers to the amount of people visiting your landing page or the product page. So today in this video, I am going to talk about different types of traffic. So basically, traffic is categorized into three categories. Number one is the traffic that you cannot control. And number two is the traffic you can control. And lastly, number three is the traffic that you own. So let's begin with the third one because it's my personal favorite. So traffic you own refers to a list of people that are voluntarily subscribed to your content. The best example here would be the email newsletter subscribers, because here you have complete control over the timing of the messages you want to send to your subscribers, and when you click send, your messages will be straightly delivered to them. And let's say if your subscriber list is big and responsive enough, then you might not even have to advertise them because you would already have all the traffic you would need to sustain your business. And let's say if you come up with new product or services, then they are going to be the ones most interested in that. And let's say if you upsell, then they are going to be the ones most likely to buy them. So now let's get into the second type of traffic, that is the traffic you can control. This is also called as a rented traffic, as you have to pay rent to the advertising platform for this traffic. There are many places you can advertise, guys. That is, you can advertise through Google AdWords, Facebook, and there are many other advertising platforms as well. And the great thing about this advertising platform is that it is fully under your control. And as long as you are following the advertising best practices, the ads will deliver qualified traffic to your product or service page. But always remember, guys, your main marketing strategy or your main goal should always be to convert the traffic you rent into the traffic you own. So the last and the final type of traffic would be the traffic you cannot control, only influence. These are your social media followings or the website traffic if your blog ranks on Google. Though these people who may or may not buy your product or services, but always remember they are your prospective clients. You should also remember that you need to convert them as much as possible to the traffic you own. So basically, guys, if you want to run a successful business, you need to own a lot of traffic and devise your marketing and sales strategy accordingly. So that's it for this video, guys. And you know what you have to do. You have to go like, comment, share, and don't forget to follow me on Instagram. Bye-bye.